Man and machine, human and machine, working together as one. We will prepare. You will cook. Side by side, together, creating the most awesome masterpiece. I hope my therapist is not watching, because I'm talking to a crock pot. Chili! Chili fun fact is chili peppers were invented in Mexico over 6,000 years ago. 6,000! Aztecs and the Mayans used chili for food and medicinal purposes. Somebody's got to take the place of PBS. Are you crying? You have to keep it more of an up and down angle.
I did have it, just bent.
It's just more of an up and down angle. It's a new cannon. So there's a long-standing debate foreverness over chili and beans and no beans chili. Texans, rootin' tootin' to no beans, I believe. But I can't see a chili not having beans in it. That makes no sense. So I guess I'm on the bean side of the aisle. You're on the bean side of the aisle, aren't you? Yeah. Could you imagine chili with no beans in it? That'd be meat soup.
I like beans.
What's the whole beans? Good for your heart. The more you eat them, the more you... Do you not like our new can opener? That was my Christmas present. My baby bought me a can opener for Christmas. And it's doing worse than our old one. Isn't that crazy? And they don't make stuff like they used to. Yeah, look at that, that's better. Yay! Yay. So whoever came up with, like, chili no beans? It's crazy. It's crazy. How many different kinds of beans you putting in this? Like, a couple, right?
No, just skinny beans.
No black beans?
No.
I look like I'm doing something, but I'm not actually doing anything. Except annoying her, apparently. But that's my wheelhouse.
Oh, so you heard the heavy sigh?
Everyone heard the heavy sigh. There's another version to that. Is beans. How's that go? Beans, good for your heart. The more you eat them, the more you like them. The more you like them, the more you feel. So eat your beans at every meal. That's the PG version. Beans. Onion. Onion. I'm just making sure you're doing it correctly. So my wife says there's an order. I would throw everything in the crock pot. That's what I would do. But she says there's an order. And I kind of, we'll see here in a second, but I kind of get what she's saying. Onions to saute. Because that'll unlock flavor. Right? And then, what's next? Onions and sauteed meat, and you're going to say seasonings in this. And once that cookies, then we can dump everything else in the crock pot?
Yeah.
Alright, I get it. I understand what you're saying.
I get that meat good and seasoned.
Meat good and seasoned. Because if you just threw everything in the crock pot, your flavors wouldn't. But bam. It's a technical term.
Okay.
But bam. Okay. I believe you. And how I believe you is your chili's better than my chili. So right there. And they're basically the same ingredients. But yours has a dash of love. Feed me. Feed me. It's my turn. Nom 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 nom. Nom nom nom. Can dry January please be over? I'm going crazy. The Chili Bowl Nationals is an annual event in Oklahoma. The midget race. Cars, baby, cars. It's not a bunch of little people running around racing.
I'll just sprinkle that in. Sprinkle.
Sprinkle. Also sprinkle. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. Oh. So seasoning, unlocking with heat is, we said this on another video, the Maillard effect. You're releasing nutrients, right? You're releasing taste, correct? Flavors. That would be along the line of taste. And it does something else. Look it up. Google it. Google it. Oh, it smells delicious. Onion. Onion. Seasonings yet or not? A doop, doop, doop. A little boop. Or not yet?
No,
No?
those onions aren't cooked yet.
Onions aren't cooked yet. Meh. I swear it just turned on by itself. I swear it. It wants it. It needs it. Doctors say that chili's actually good for you. If you add more beans to it, it gives more fiber. And we know what fiber does. It goes down the chute. So that's probably why that was beans makes you toot. Huh. Interesting fun facts. You are welcome. Fun facts by buildmorewithless. She's shaking her head again. She didn't shake her head that direction when we got married. It went the other way. Doctors say that chili is bad for dogs. It's not good for their digestive issues. Don't feed chili to your puppies. Eat it all yourself. Diced tomatoes, baby. Tomatoes. The top is sideways on this. Why? Well, because it helps it cook down. The recipe was for a stove cooktop. Words. Stove cooktop. I heart dyslexia. So you put it on sideways to let the moisture out. Vapors. You can't use moisture in cooking. The word moisture. How many spoons am I going to lick? How many spoons does it... Mr. Owl, how many spoons does it take to get the... one? Two? Alrighty. Thanks for joining us. This is the part where we're going to be very, very quiet. Because I don't think it's done yet. But know what I'm saying? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It'll be awesome. Go build something and share it. Oh, so much better. Yes, dear.